Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to tell about how to view your saved snaps in Snapchat. First of all, make sure you have authorized Snapchat to use your camera. This step is very important. For example, if you haven't give permission, you want to be able to view your snaps. To check this, just open the app and swipe up. If you have given Snapchat permission to use your camera, you will be able to see your saved memories and snapshots. This can be photos, stories, conversions, and more. This is a simple step, but is important for Snapchat to work, probably. So also make sure you have given permission. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to receive more content. See you in the next one.